and we were, even I would say it in general, we were like seeing this opportunity as an entrepreneur and like really in a hypothetical way. But as we were in the meeting and we listened to you and to other mentors, we got to learn that we have to see it as a customer's point of view.
And I thought each one of them had some merit and some acumen and some potential, which speaks volumes of the fact that this bootcamp has been a tremendous success, and of course Empower has worked hard. So yes, I mean, from my side, a big round of applause to the entire Empower team firstly, for being with us, collaborating on this front and helping us promote entrepreneurial acumen and problem solving skills amongst all these students.
So firstly, our main source of revenue will be our own personal funds, firstly, and also angel investors.
Then I thought to myself, can I add value to the waste and convert it into a valuable product?
Mentioned that we will not only be making stubble utensils, but we will also be selling it to industries which make biogas.
Another aim is like students studying in underprivileged schools do not have proper furniture to study.
So the very basic necessities that are available at a home. So for example, your tube lights, your fans, and perhaps, for example, if you have one of those tower fans or your moving fans in the room as well, those could also be powered by this panel, one panel.
Yeah, ma'am, it was great, because when I got to know about our event and shared it with students, we had around 4 teams who wanted to participate initially, and out of which, when one was selected, they were super excited. And the best part of it, apart from these two, the other students also gave them input, because when they were done with the final presentations, they said, sir, can we give presentation in front of other students so that we can have inputs. So they did a trial run kind of thing in front of other students. They asked them questions and they gave them a lot of points. So it was not just one team which was involved. In fact, the other students also were equally involved.
And nothing beats the experience which is gained out of building products or services. Once you start creating, you will understand the problems, the solutions, and more like-minded people, more like-minded teams will start joining you. So this is just a process. All the teams were top for me. Everybody was a winner for me. If you ask me, everyone's number one.
Is that try to make an impact. All right. Although we say this is a business plan and it's all about money, but it's really, really cool if you can make money while you make an impact.
Actually foretells that how much of research they have done. The first concept of design thinking, which says that empathize. And if this generation really has loads of empathy, we can really look forward to a beautiful, wonderful world in the coming 10 years.